whoa. I'm telling you, these bad boys can kill if you flip them the right way. Hey, what's up? Hello you guys, and welcome back to another video with me, Sham. So for this video, I'm going to be doing a little chit chat with you guys while I do maintenance on my box braids that I just did. I just did box braids on myself for the first time. Where am I looking off to? I'm like looking out the window like somebody's gonna be there. So I just did box braids on myself for the first time ever. I've never done them before. I should have made a video on it, but I was like, I don't know how these mugs are gonna turn out. I don't want to be embarrassing myself online. They turned out great, but that was a few weeks ago. And you know how you see people doing like the hot water treatment on it after they do it to seal in their braids and then like other stuff? Yeah, I didn't do any of that because look, these braids took me days to do. Yeah, they took days. So I've been pretty lazy and my sleep schedule has been out of whack. It's been 2020, you know. Anyway, so let me stop rambling on and just get to the braids. Okay, y'all, so first I got some boiling water and I put them in this cup. When I tell you this was not as easy, like, ooh, girl, I was low-key struggling putting these braids in this water. The water was super hot, but I just dipped my braids in as far as I could go, and then I tried to tap dry them with a towel. And yes, y'all, that's a Star Wars towel. Got a little R2-D2 or whatever. So I just went ahead and did that to the rest of my hair. And here I go looking like Cousin It. And we're gonna cue the hair flip at the end because I guess I thought I was Beyonce or something. Alright, after all that, I'm gonna go in with this Cantu Wave Whip Curly Mousse. I literally just read that off the bottle, but you know, it's the stuff that comes out all white and foamy. You know, you'll see what it looks like. So clearly I ain't no singer, but here I go putting the foam in my hair. Honestly, guys, I don't really know what this is for, but you know, I feel like it'll make them neater or something like that. What I do know is to make sure you get all of that stuff to the ends of your hair. So just drag it down from the roots and top of your head all the way down to the bottom of your braids. After you're done with that, go ahead and swing your braids around like you're about to do double dutch. No, I'm playing. I was just playing because, you know, I was feeling myself or whatever. Ooh, I kind of look like a kid that should not be playing with scissors. But what you want to do after that, well, you don't have to, but I'm going in and cutting off all the little stray hairs that I have from my braids. Like I said, I had done my braids like 2 weeks ago, so there was kind of a lot of frizz that I just wanted to cut out. I was gonna do them individually, but I kind of got upset, so I just started grabbing like chunks of my hair and just pulling off the most obvious stragglers. Okay guys, so that is all I'm gonna do for treating my box braids. I did have some curlers that I was gonna use to curl the ends, but I forgot I had them until I just said something. So maybe I'll do another video on how I'm gonna style my box braids and stuff. Lately I've just been doing like, you know, the little side part, you know, behind the ear action or whatever. But yeah, I'll definitely do a video on how I style my box braids, and in that video I'll definitely curl them for you guys and show you guys and show you how I do that. So yes, if you like this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to help support my channel, because obviously small YouTuber gang, you know, stick together. Or if you're not a small YouTuber, like, that's cool too, you know. It's just like a figure of speech, so like do you know. Anyway guys, thanks so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. It's just a quick little video because why not? Like I said, we're YOLOing in 2020. Whatever content I want to make, whatever I like. So yes, please don't forget to support my channel by giving this video a like or a thumbs up and subscribe if you enjoyed today's content. Deuces!
Bye.